Hello dear viewers, I am Tahsin Tabassum Sinthia from Nageswari, Kurigram. Today I want to say about the correct pronunciation of English alphabets. I think most of the person pronounces the alphabet in wrong ways. There are 26 alphabets in English language, but some of the letters are difficult to pronounce. I will disclose it subsequently. Please look at the board. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Dear guys, you think that why I give the circles around the alphabets? These are the critical alphabets to pronunciate. Please look at the board. A for apple, K for kite or kind, O for ostrich, P for pencil, Q for queen, question, T for teacher, teeth, Z for zoo, etc. Dear guys, I again utters the alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X and Y, Z. Dear guys, thanks everyone. I am proud of my English teacher Saidul Shamim sir, who always inspired me to learn English. Dear guys, last of all, don't forget to give like, share and comment.